Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to bypass the BIOS password, and I'm going to use a link to convert the code you're going to see. So let's get started. So what you have here, you're going to power on your laptop, and when you power on your laptop it will ask for the key. Are you seeing the key? Enter password. So when you reach enter password, so what I want you to do, very simple, I want you to enter passwords, wrong passwords 3 times. Then the system will lock you out. As you can see, it is showing invalid password. So when I hit enter, it's going to show me a code. Sorry about the... It's going to show me this code here, and this is saying system password entry failed, system disabled. So do you see that password there, the serial, something like looks like a serial? So this is a hex code which needs to be converted. I'm going to show you how we get to that code. So I have my app here, have a site which is called biospw.org. This biospw.org, so what you will do, you have to enter the code that you have seen on the screen when the screen is disabled. Hope you see everything clearly. So when you reach this step, you enter the code that you have been seeing there. So previously I have this code which I'm going to enter. Let me focus a little bit. So after, you have to click on get password. So after clicking get password, this will detect even the computer you're using. This is Samsung, and the password is this password here that has 6566, and this could work on Dell laptops, and this could work on other HP, Sony, Samsung. So for Samsung, they are showing that that is a hexa, 12 decimal digits that has been converted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to power on the computer again and enter the same password we have seen. So I'm going to enter the password from here. It is 6566. Then when I hit enter, the computer will be able to open. And don't get surprised about this. I'm dual booting Kali Linux and Windows. So that's the process on how to crack the BIOS password. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and share this video. And please click the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload such useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.